Hey there! Today, we're diving into a classic conversion problem: how to convert a hexadecimal number into its binary equivalent using JavaScript. This is super useful in systems programming, networking, and debugging. Let's see how JavaScript handles this cleanly with just one line of code. Hexadecimal is base 16, which means it's made out of digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F. Each digit maps to exactly 4 binary digits. So, converting from hex to binary is all about interpreting the number correctly and then outputting it into a base 2. Let's look at the code. We're using parseInt n and 16 to tell JavaScript, hey, interpret the string n as a base 16 hex number. Then, we simply call toString 2 on that number to convert it into its binary form. JavaScript makes this really convenient. Here's the flow. You start with a hex string like 7b316. You then convert that to a decimal number using parseInt. Then we convert that decimal to binary with toString 2. That's it. A simple two-step conversion that gives you an accurate binary result. Let's test it with a few real inputs. For the first string, 7b316 becomes the binary output. The second, 6f16 becomes the second binary output. And the third string, 4b2a16, becomes the third and final binary output. Each of these conversions shows how powerful JavaScript's number methods are when it comes to handling different bases. Hex to binary conversions are not just academic. They are critical in fields like networking. MAC addresses, for example, are hex-based. It is also used in debugging raw memory or building custom compilers. And of course, this makes an excellent teaching tool for understanding different numeral systems. To wrap it all up, JavaScript makes hex to binary conversion a breeze. With just one line, you're bridging base 16 and base 2, two of the most important number systems in computer science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next code breakdown. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.